Hello, friends. It's Mama Loretta here, and it's Mariners Landing, Morey's Piers, and there they are. The rides are going. Our games are running. Not gonna lie, it's a little chilly. Not too bad when the wind's not blowing, but when the wind blows, it's a little chill. But can't take away the happiness of everybody that's here tonight. That so excited that we're open. Not bad sized crowd. See, a lot of you are watching. Probably can't believe it. Doesn't seem like it's that time already, but it's April 29th. Not much longer until Memorial Day weekend when everything will really be fully open. But right now we're getting our first taste. Bring on summer.
Don't be shy. Always a winner, always a prize on every race, ladies and gentlemen.
Yep, all the sights and sounds, all the familiar noises that we're used to, the music, the games, the rides, the people. It has begun. As I said, quite a few people here. No money on me, sorry. It's great to see so many of you watching. I mean, I can already just feel the summer wind, the breeze, hear the seagulls. I mean, I am ready. I don't know about all of you, but it's been a long winter. Let's get our summer season started. Mr. Roof! Well, I hope that you enjoyed our stroll around Mariners Landing, Morey's Piers on opening night. Put a bit of excitement into my Friday night, I can tell you that much. Of course, we'll be bringing you photos and videos all summer long. It's just the beginning. Thanks for joining in with us, and enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye for now.